As you already know, on this show, we pick up issues that were trending in the course of the week. We talk about them, we summarize them, so that just in case you missed any, you can just
give me. Yeah.
Next time we show what's up.
Yeah. Kalani friend me for credit. Meanwhile, me if I never chop sense. Cool guy, I dey my day. I know they like this base, so usually when they do so, you dey bore me. Oh, guy say she get fine apples. I tell her say she come, I'm home. She say, are you sure? I say yeah, why not? And she say she dey come a movie Kongwa so hey, so me need to my friend match. She said, Drill, I'm coming with Uber. Will you pay me? Say, I go pay half. No invite. My body compass. She say I'm on my way. I say, oh sir, where should I alight? I say, total. I'm coming with my books, math, English, French. I said, don't worry, you know what? Just come, I will teach you. Chemistry. Chemistry. Me the work acid-based reaction. Chemistry. Teach you.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Midweek Entertainment and Lifestyle News Review. Please, how was your birthday? How was your birthday?
Charlie, it was cool.
Did you nash?
I didn't nash.
I
didn't nash at all.
Yeah, I'm not saying with confidence.
I had fun, I didn't nash.
Ladies, let me give you a tip. I should have given it to you last week. If your boyfriend starts chatting you that you know I can show you my love any day, please bounce the you're nashing that. Okay, so let's go straight to the issues of the day.
Yeah.
Our leaders are selfish. That's Don Leto, and it's from myjoyonline.com.
Yeah, so Kumaru actor Stephen Atanga, popularly known as Don Leto. You know, I'm saying no. Atanga, the one of the names. Yeah. So in an interview with Becky on E with Bex, disclosed that politicians are, selfish.
True.
Is that true or not?
Please, it is true. It is
So
true.
why he made that statement? According to him, he's saying that politicians use the same road as citizens also use. They see the homeless people, they see the poor in society around, and they don't give a stretching hand. They don't help them. You get it? But if they see people by the roadside or in their community, let's say fire guards their building or armed robbers attack or there's an accident, these people will come and bring huge amount of money to give to their families that you see those kind of things. So he's calling out politicians. They should look at the immediate problems around us, solve them before it happens. Because if the person is going to give me that amount of money or they're running that help, what do they use? And according to him, he also claimed that politicians are voted into power, or people of high positions are voted into power to help or solve societal problems. So why is it that we vote them into power and they use the money which we, citizens pay tax to, solve or give to their families? So we say that most politicians are selfish. They think about themselves first and their family first before thinking about the citizens. Meanwhile, it's the citizens who place them there. So that's why he was making
this
those
thing
claims.
that Don Leto you said is very, very true. This Midland issue that happened, that
I
you see
remember that
this thing that is not even about the politics. Let's put the politics aside. Those big people, those who own big companies. When this Midland issue, they laugh. When it happened, some people, if you come and say with us, this thing won't happen, this won't happen. They give the woman chow money this. But if this same woman had gone to these same institutions that were bragging and claiming rights for a loan of 200 cedis when she was not saving there, that would be another story.
That's very true.
It's called hypocrisy. Ghanaians, we are hypocrites.
Yeah, she knew, man.
It's true. Okay, so next, I said bashi politicians. Young rapper takes on politicians, police, slave queens in freestyle rap. That's myjoyonline.com.
Yeah, so a video of a young boy surfaces on social media, particularly on Instagram, and the guy was rapping.
I saw the video.
Some people even tagging him as young Sako. They can't this guy in training mode. The guy was playing and I was doing a lot of wordplay, and aside the guy's lyrics or his rhyme and all this kind of stuff, what really caught people's attention was the message the guy was conveying. A young boy of that age, I think maybe around 6, 7 years, 8 years thereabout. And Charlie, I hope you saw the video. It was very, very deep. Talking about security in Ghana, politicians, the whole citizenry, and it was very, very deep. And one thing that really caught my attention was he said that the security personnel in Ghana who are supposed to protect the citizenry, they are rather turning against beating people. You know why he said that? I think that I was so Klagon thing that people was slapped. Can you imagine?
Your friend is John David.
St. George. Can you imagine? And such a young boy, I mean, rap and correct and say such an issue. That should let you know that whatever is happening, the younger generation, they are watching.
They are watching. Like me, I don't even blame the people who get the chance to come and talk and do things. I blame those who give them the opportunity to come on air and those things. When you listen to some stations saying they give these politicians the chance to insult each other, I don't know why they do that.
I also don't get it.
And children are listening.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised a young boy was able to make such a rap. If he did it to kudos, and please, they should leave somebody out of this issue. If this boy, somebody should pick you up. Better than uniform there.
And you see, another thing I also said was like the lawmakers rather break the law.
Of course.
Charlie.
But that if you make the law and people think you are righteous, as time goes on, you feel like you are above the law, then you start doing things that are not good. This morning when I was coming, Obi here from police no check and no G10 cities. It's accidents they see ya. Next on the issue. Willie Roy to be buried on March 30th. Family observes 1 week celebration. That's GhanaWeb.com.
Yeah, so the 1 week celebration of the late Willie Roy was held in Tema. And on Sunday, that is this immediate Sunday, and I remember we discussed this issue when he passed on, and you said you wanted to know already cause death. So as of now, I've not really chanced upon or seen anything related to the post-mortem.
You are a blogger. All I know is go and do investigation. Go and check the body for us.
I know, right?
Next, I'll ask you.
So I was actually paying close to development and listening to radio, head of communication, of Xylophone Media, Sammy Barflex or Sammy Atubi, popular as Sammy Flex, and an interview on Accra. An interview on Accra FM said that Sammy Flex, as I said earlier, went to play a gig and came home at dawn.
Hey, Sammy, Willie Roy.
Sorry, Willie Roy. Oh God, thank you very much. Willie Roy.
Welcome. That's why I'm here. Let's continue.
Willie Roy went to play a gig at dawn and came. And another witness to the whole issue was his artist, Ife Kiss. We all know he's managing Ife Kiss. Ife Kiss also said that he was with Willie Roy the whole night and even came to even drop him at his premises at the Xylophone Arts Club.
So was she in the house when it happened?
No, she wasn't. She came with.
Oh, okay.
I think they went together, so they came.
Yeah.
So they came in the evening and then she left with Leroy. So in the morning when the security men also looking for the man, why is that the man has not come out? And they also went in and realized this one. They called Sammy Flex, and Sammy Flex also said he quickly rushed to the East Legon police station to report the issue. And they came and they went to they conveyed the body. So as of now, I can't really give a vivid report that he was overdose or he was murdered or heart attack. I mean, I can't tell. We are yet to find out.
Just
but the one celebration was held, as I said, and he will be buried, God willing, on the March 30th. And let me add this: most people in the creative art industry came under the 1 week ceremony to, to how do you call what's the English name?
Please comment. Comment and put your right word there. Oh, that's short. I took out a blog there easy. Next on the issue, I'm not dead. Hey, Ghana for Mama Esther rebuts death reports. That's mynewsgh.com.
Yeah, so Kumasi based singer Mama Esther. I love this gospel artist. I mean, her songs are.
What song? Like, can you make up?
One of my favorite songs from her is Mejeja Kasa. I'm on Sango, you do it on in a
But on class.
I will not even listen to Shatawale.
Oh, deny you watch Continue.
Yeah, so she's known as Esther watching, but popularly known as Mama Esther. And just some few days ago, news it was reported that she had been involved in a fatal accident, and she passed on. Another passenger also on board the car also passed on. So she got an interview to mynewsgh.com, a popular news portal in Accra or in Ghana, saying that why would someone sit down and think of such a thing and publish it? Like, What for? How can you publish
£1
I just don't get it. But I mean, I'm telling my colleague news reporters and bloggers to at least tone down these things.
Look into the camera and touch
They should tone out and try to convey, I mean, positive stories that will transform our society and also promote people in a positive way. I mean, how does this report, I mean, go a long way to contribute to the life of Mama Esther?
cutting somebody's life short.
So Mama Esther was like, she's alive and kicking, and she's even preparing to go to her church, Pentecost. She fellowship with Pentecost, and she's I think the head pastor there. So she was like, she's preparing herself to go to church this morning. She was interviewed on Sunday morning to go and preach the gospel. So she's alive and kicking. So why would someone even fabricate such a story? But she also wants to take advantage of this particular interview and say that she's preparing a song or a next album. So Ghanaians should watch out, and they'll be touched, and the gospel will actually go far through her administration. So Ghanaians should watch out.
Amen. Please, fellow bloggers, when you go for conferences, those seminars, talk to each other. Bad news now.
I don't know all bloggers.
Well, that's
everybody I know, they don't convey bad stories, or they don't do false reportage.
Okay, so this week, Val's Day coming, some issues came up, some two ladies have been beating themselves on social media. Now, to my next topic, Sandy Kamel and Ekuapem Polo insult each other on social media. That's ghpage.com.
So what is wrong with this two?
Oh, that you go ask me. Ask the
actresses, social media commentators, the ladies say concerts, also Mahonia concert. Sandy Kamel says she lives her life on social media. Also on that.
That's a good news because someone channel here.
Someone channel the Instagram so true. Yeah, so there's a hot beef. Let's find on the mountain for two top social media commentators and actresses. Ekuapem Polo, popularly known as or known in real life as Rosamond Brown and Sandy Kamel, and these two were close friends. Let me put it that way. But according to one party, I mean, one party behaves nice. So according to Sandy Kamel, let me be specific here. Rosamond Brown behaves nice when she sees her in public, but when she's out the scene, this lady goes a long way to stab her in the back and what have you. And Rosamond Brown was the first to start the beef. And this latest beef, okay? She went on social media, or particularly Instagram, to record a video saying that foolish people, quote unquote, foolish people, stop tagging her, mentioning her name under someone's post. And the someone that she meant was Sandy Kamel. So I see Sandy Kamel also. Sandy Kamel knew that the message was meant for her. So she relaxed, took her time. At a appointed time, she also did a short video and addressed the issue. So before I even go to Sandy Kamel, Rosamond was saying that if you want to tag, you should tag her under top people, responsible people like Moesha, Fela McCaffrey, Jackie Appiah, and even she will even do her controversial videos and stuff. She will rather pick on those people. Those people are rather going to help her rise, because when you are talking about celebrity or well-known people will listen to you and stuff. But she won't do controversial on someone. Sandy can also even take it like, no, hey, let me put you on the right track. I'm not shy of you. Remember, Rosamond Brown didn't mention her name, but she mentioned Ekuapem name like you are referring to me. Why are you shy?
Why are you fighting after? I'm both again.
So she also, lashed Rosamond Brown very, very well, and she was saying that if she meets Rosamond Brown, she will not. Make sure. She said, so they are waiting for that particular event. I don't know what to happen on the way. For me, I'm keeping my ears and my eyes glued.
So that thing, the sad thing. They all have foundations that they support you.
Yes, I just don't get it.
Action speaks louder than words. Yeah. So this children that you are going to give them, you are trying to give them things, telling them not to be bad in school. Then you are on social media telling your other colleague that
what are adults to?
What are you trying to convey to the kids? And Rosamond Brown, please, did you see the Val's Day a picture Rosamond Brown came to put out?
Can you imagine according to people, J-Lo did some or took such a picture. So why is it that she's also giving such a figure out? Ghanaians will be talking and stuff. But Charlie, as you said, there are people look up to them. It's someone's role model, okay? And if you are exposing your flesh and yourself like that on social media, it doesn't sound raw.
Well, I went on Rosemond Brown's page, and I was normally when I go on her page, when I'm bored and I have nothing to do, cry again, then I go there. I just go and read the comments, and she does all. She has time to reply. She will reply everybody. So another time she told somebody that somebody said, has she? So I'm traveling to Nigeria. She traveled
to Nigeria, also traveled to Dubai.
And she said this is the first time traveling with the plane. And then somebody said, are you sure? Are you sure you haven't traveled? You know the comment she said?
What did she say?
I can't say.
Wow.
Please go and read on her page. And then this issue, people go on her page. She explains herself and they go and insult her. But what I have to say is that you know what she stands for. You know what she does. Every time I keep saying that, it's like going on a porn site and then after watching the video you insult them that accept right. That is what they do. She's a social media commentator and she's a very controversial lady. She explains her body. That is what you know her for. So if you are following her and you are wasting your bundle to comment on her page, it means you like what she's doing. So just don't go there and go and insult her. If she exposes her body, and when she wakes up the next morning and her following is left with 10 people, she know that what she do, people didn't like it. But as long as the following increases, you are commenting and you are like it, master, you have no say. Okay, so my tip for you is that while waiting for manna to fall, prepare basket to collect them. Waiting time is not wasting time. And this is from Kwabena Ansa. Please, it's true. People are praying for jobs, praying for scholarships, praying for that. Please, are you preparing for yourself for it? If that opportunity should happen right now, are you well equipped to get it? Do you know if that can happen? Some people want to do some big thing somewhere, but they've applied, they are praying now. When the opportunity comes, they don't have the skill to even handle it. So whilst you are waiting for it, please prepare for it. Okay. So this has been the Midweek Entertainment and Lifestyle News Review. Please, you can follow me. He doesn't even follow us. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook,
Yes, you can also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_GH. And guys, log on to my blog www.odategnews.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip.
Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and share. Alright,
subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification button. Show your friends, man.
Okay, so to become your winner, please, it's bye.